morning, everyone. And what I'd like to do right now is give you another demonstration of sight reading. I've already given you a couple of demonstrations of single hand melodies, one in the treble clef and one in the bass clef. But what I'd like to look at now is an example of hands together playing. This is on page 88 of your SMS textbook. I would encourage you to follow along here. And this is example number 7 on page 88. This is the first example that involves hands together playing. A very short and simple example, but this could be slightly challenging as this is the first time we're sight reading a piece of music hands together. So let's just keep in mind some of the steps that we go through when we're starting to sight read a piece. Let's look at the rhythm first. And so the right hand rhythm, it's again in 4/4, is ta, 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 ta. The left hand rhythm is ta, 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 ta. Now, one good idea when you're looking at a hands together melody is to try tapping the composite rhythm, which means the right hand and left hand together. So my left hand is going to start tapping, and then in measure 2, my right hand is going to join in and tap the same rhythm together. So it will sound something like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a good way to prepare for the hands coordination and to start to get a feel for how the hands go together. Now, if I look at the interval content, in the right hand, I start with C, and then step up, and then repeat, step up, step up, step up, and down a skip. And then I end on E. In the left hand, I start on C, step up, step up, step up, step up, down a fourth, and down a second. Okay, next I'm going to try just tapping on my lap the finger of each hand separately. So right hand, starting with finger 1, step up, repeat, step up, step up, step up, skip down. I end on finger 3. And left hand, C, step up, step up, step up, step up, fourth down, step down. I end on finger 5. Now, I would encourage you to go directly to the keyboard and to try playing the hands together. It's a good idea to get used to playing hands together from the very beginning instead of always taking it apart when we're sight reading a really simple example and trying the hands separately. If you want to try tapping the hands on your lap together first, that's possible, but I'm going to go ahead and try this at the keyboard. So find your hand position, left hand finger 5 on C3, right hand finger 1 on C4. Okay, and the important thing is to kind of keep your focus zoomed out so that you can see both staves at once, and notice how the notes are moving in relation to each other when they're going in the same direction and opposite directions, etc. So let's try this. We'll take it slow. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, joining the right hand. 2, 4, repeat. 2, 3, 4. Okay, go ahead and try it. And that's your first hands together sight reading example.